If you want to upload a zip file in Claude, here's the important thing to know right away. Claude does not currently support directly reading or processing a zip file as a compressed folder. So if you try to upload the zip itself, Claude won't be able to inspect the contents the way you might expect. But don't worry, there's a very simple workaround, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more AI and software tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel grow, and it tells me to make more step-by-step videos like this. First, you need to extract the zip file on your computer. That means unzipping it so all of the files inside become normal accessible files and folders. On Windows, you can usually right-click the zip file and choose Extract All. On Mac, you can double-click the zip file and it will automatically unzip. Once the extraction is complete, open the folder and look through the files you want Claude to analyze. Now this part is important. Claude works best when you upload the individual files instead of the compressed zip file. So if your zip contains code, documents, text files, or other materials, pick the specific files you need help with. For example, if you're analyzing a codebase, you might upload files like main.py, index, HTML, app, JS, or readme.md, depending on what you want Claude to review. Next, go to your Claude chat and look for the plus icon in the message box. This is the button you'll use to add files. Click the plus icon, then choose Add Files or Photos. After that, browse to the folder where you extracted your zip file and select the files you want to upload. Claude allows up to 5 files per message, so if your zip-p contains a lot of files, you may need to upload them in batches. Start with the most important files first, especially the ones that contain the main logic or the information you want Claude to understand. If needed, you can send additional files in another message afterward. Once the files are uploaded, you can type your prompt and ask Claude to analyze them. For example, you could say, review these files and explain how this project works, or help me find bugs in these files, or summarize the content of these documents. The more specific you are, the better Claude's response will be. A good tip is to organize the files before uploading. If you have a large codebase, it helps to identify the entry file, config files, and any core scripts first. That way, Claude can understand the structure more quickly and give you more accurate feedback. If your zip contains many unrelated files, only upload the ones that matter for the task. So the full process is simple. First extract the zip locally, then click the plus icon in Claude, choose Add Files or Photos, and upload the individual files in batches of up to 5 per message. That is the correct way to work with zip contents in Claude right now. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want a follow-up tutorial on using Claude for code review, document analysis, or project summaries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.